Well, there's an income and asset test. Income, there are specific limitations, and those vary state by state and by program and by marital status, age, and whatnot. So there are different income tests depending on the status of the person that's been injured or the person that's applying for Medicaid. The asset test is no more than $2,000 in liquid assets. But there are certain assets that don't count. For example, a person's house does not disqualify them from Medicaid, so they can have a house and still qualify for Medicaid. They can have one automobile and still qualify for Medicaid. And there's a couple of other small assets that they can still have and qualify, but they can't have more than $2,000 in liquid assets. Well, what they'll need to do is go down to the local Medicaid office, apply for the Medicaid program, and Medicaid will determine whether they meet those eligibility requirements. They'll also want to, at the same time, apply for SSI, which is Supplemental Security Income, which is a disability payment for injury victims that can be applied for. And again, it's got specific income and asset tests, which are the same as those for Medicaid, because SSI and Medicaid are intertwined. $1 of SSI in most states is going to give the injury victim Medicaid coverage.